What's for lunch? Today magluluto tayo ng kinamatisang baboy, a classic Filipino soup with flavorful pork belly, juicy tomatoes, and leafy greens. Napakadaling gawin ito at tamang-tama when you want something nourishing and filling. In a wide pot, igisa ang onions and garlic until translucent. Ilagay ang pork and cook until the color changes. Gumamit ako dito ng pork belly with ribs for more flavor. Pwede rin ng cut na malaman like kasim or maraming bones like spare ribs. For best results, gumamit ng hinog na kamatis para juicy and rich ang flavor. Cook until they start to break down and release their juices. Add fish sauce at simmer lang for a minute or two para ma-absorb ang lasa. Ibuhos ang water and bring to a boil. Skim off any foam that rises on top para clear and sediment-free ang broth. Takpan, lower the heat, and simmer until the pork is fork tender. Adjust ang timpla with salt and pepper to taste. You can add leafy vegetables like spinach, bok choy, napa cabbage, or pechay. Ilagay una ang white stalks ng pechay to give them a little head start at isunod ang leaves. Simmer until just wilted ang gulay and then turn off the heat. Serve this pork kinamatisan with steamed rice for a delicious and nutritious meal the whole family will love. Enjoy!